Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Cloud CTF tutorial series. In this video we're going to cover how to add users using public registration. This is going to be where you give students a URL and they're going to be able to visit that URL and create their own account. It doesn't require an email invitation. So let me show you how to do that. First we're going to jump into our Cloud CTF environment and we're going to go to the Admins tab at the top. And on the settings page that comes up first, we're going to want to click on Allow Public Registration and confirm that. Give that just a second to save that change. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to now go fetch the URL for the student to use. So how to do that is we just click on the Cloud CTF logo on the top left to go back to the home page. And the URL they'll need to use is just this one here. So this will be unique for each CTF environment. We'll just go ahead and copy that. Perfect. And next, I'll kind of show you what it looks like for the student's perspective. So we'll open up a different browser just to make sure we're not already logged in. And we're going to paste that URL in. And what that'll do is it'll take you to the Cloud CTF environment and we'll click Start. And that's where they'll have to create their account using one of the authentication providers. So they can use Google, for example. And what we'll do is we will go ahead and use some credentials for a test account we have. So we'll go ahead and paste our email in and password. Perfect. So if we pull up that student's web page again, we should see that they're now able to access the Cloud CTF. So they'll play solo in this case. And here we go. Now they've been added into the Cloud CTF. They have their own team. By default, they get added onto their own team. We'll talk a bit more about team management in another video. And just to show you again from the instructor's perspective, we can see this new student has joined when we click on the Players tab. We see that this new test player that's just been added is now showing up in our players. So I hope that was pretty helpful, and we look forward to working with you again in another one of our Cloud CTF tutorial videos.